Hello, welcome to Miemie's Keepsakes. I'm Arnell. I am here today with the very exciting draw of our Summer Swap 2023. For all the participants, thank you very much for participating. Beth and I hosted this swap, Beth from Yesimadeitmyself, and we were kind of thinking we won't have that many participants because it is summer, everybody's busy, but we were surprised by how many people actually signed up. So thank you very much. We really appreciate your support. And so the winner will receive this pouch that I have a tutorial on how to make this little slow stitch pouch. This is not the one I made on the video. I already mailed that out to somebody else, but it is very similar to the pouch that I made on the video, and it is filled with some ephemera that I've made, and I will also add some surprises in the envelope. I won't show everything today, but you will receive a little bit more than the pouch, I promise you. So, but first of all, thank you to all the participants, and then second of all, I want to say thank you to Beth for co-hosting this with me. We have done a couple of other swaps before, and I can tell you Beth is such a joy to work with and get to know better. I consider Beth one of my friends, and so thank you very much, Beth. You are definitely a blessing, and we are planning more collaborations and another swap in the fall, so keep your eyes open and go to Beth's channel. She did a swap. She had an uneven number, so she swapped with somebody in her group, and they swapped a journal, a beautiful journal. I'll link that video as well as all Beth's information, but I also will link the video for Beth for announcing the winner on her channel and the people that participated through her. So with further ado, let's pick a winner. I think that's why you guys are all here. You're not here to watch me or listen to me talk. Anyway, so let's find a winner so I can mail this out. Betty, you are the winner, and I am so happy for you. I think Betty said this was her first swap that she's participating in, so I'm not 100% sure, but Betty, I hope you had fun doing this swap, and I hope you'll enjoy all the goodies coming your way. And yes, thank you again. I will start Junk Journal July tomorrow because I decided to do more than one prompt a day, and then I won't be posting Junk Journal July every day, so keep your eyes open for that. And I hope to see all of you tomorrow, and thank you again for your support and participation, and congratulations, Betty, you deserve it. And I will probably mail this out on Tuesday because the everything will be closed. The post office will be closed today as well as on Monday, so it will take a little longer than normal, Betty, to reach you, but it is on its way. So I hope to see you again soon, and have a wonderful Canada Day. I hope all of you Canadians are having fun today and just spending some time with your families. And then for the 4th of July, for our US participants and watchers, happy 4th of July in advance, since we are all red and blue here. So enjoy the day and the festivities, and I hope to see you again tomorrow. Bye.